everyone, this is LeArm. In this episode, I want to introduce you how to remote control our robotic arm by wireless handle. So you can see this is our wireless handle. There are lots of buttons on it and there are two lockers. It has two modes, one is action group and another is servo mode. You have to prepare two batteries by yourself. We have installed them in it. Then open the switch of the wireless handle receiver. You can see the lights flashing. When you open the switch of the robotic arm, the lights turns to like this. In general, the mode of the wireless handle is action group mode. So I will tell you what is action group mode. Action group mode is each button can call the certain action group. We have already prepared a wireless handle table. You can call the certain action group by pressing the corresponding button. For example, the start button is linked to the number 0 action group. This is number 1 action group. We have already downloaded 10 action groups into the controller. Now move to this button. How about this one? So you can find that the robotic arm will show different performance when we press the different button. Okay, now we come to the servo mode. Servo mode is that control the certain servo by button or rocker. First of all, we should switch to the servo mode. For your convenience, we also prepare a table for you to better understand. Press the start button and the select button simultaneously. So this is the servo mode of the robotic arm. Let us play a game with the robotic arm by wireless handle. I want to tell you that if you want to switch to the action group mode, you can press the start and the select button at the same time. So it's very easy. So why not give a shot and according our stable and the video. Okay, all of this is my introduction of remote controlling of the robotic arm by wireless handle. See you!